So for this video, I'm going to show kids how to create a document and save a document safely. So because my computer's in Windows, I have to go to Word. We click on Word, and we'll open up here. You go to blank document, and let's say, for instance, the kids that I would be teaching, they would be at the grade level of 3rd grade, and I would probably be having them write a paper. So I would tell them to put their name on it, to put the date, the assignment, and the teacher, and then a title, and then an indentation, and then whatever their topic is, I would have them write it out. And of course, if I was teaching them English, they would know how to write paragraph, intro, paragraph, 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 conclusion. And then, for them, once they were done, they would go to here to File, Save, Save As, Browse. Of course, it's not responding. So you would actually go to Computer, Browse, and then name it whatever the assignment is. And save it. That way the kids would know it was saved safely. And that is my video on Screenomatic. Thanks.